Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Betha. So in this video I just wanted to show you guys how I installed my sew-in wig, and I did some crochet braids and the cornrows were so good. I think my hair felt good under those cornrows, so I just wanted to try out a hairstyle that I will do cornrows and leave them all alone. So I went ahead and bought a wig cap and a wig from the beauty supply store, and I just wanted to make a weave, and that's exactly a wig, and that's exactly what I did. I made a wig, and after I made a wig, at first I thought it was not going to work because it looked a little bit different and not so good. So I mentioned this to my friend Beryl. Hey Beryl, shout out to you. I know you are watching this video. So I mentioned this to Beryl and she told me to work on it again, to try again. And so that's what I did. So I went in with a different approach, and actually this time it really turned out great. So when I tried out this wig and took some pics, everybody was like, wow, that hair looks great on you. So I thought, why don't I go ahead and just make it a sew-in wig, so that after a few weeks I can take the threads off and just moisturize the cornrows or wash them and return them back and return the wig back. So that's what I decided to do. So at the current moment I am going to show you how I fixed this wig, and the results were amazing. And I went on YouTube to check if a sew-in wig was a thing, and I found out that apart from using glue and other things such as other adhesives, you can also just sew in the wig and make it actually stay, so that at night you don't take it off. Instead, you just wrap it up like any other hairstyle and sleep, and in the morning you just comb it out and you're good to go. That's what I was going for. So check out this video and see the results. If you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll also be doing a review on how this hair is, and I will also be doing a maintenance video. So please subscribe and wait for those videos, and I hope it works out well for me. At the moment, I feel a little bit, let's not say weird, I feel a little bit different because it's the first time actually I am doing this. It's not my first time wearing a wig, but it's the first time that I am doing a sew-in wig, and the results, I pray and I hope, will be amazing and good to my hair. At the current state, my hair is very, very thin. I don't know why it's thinning up, but the shedding has been too much lately. And I watched a video on a girl who had kept her hair on a wig protective hairstyle and was just taking more than 5 months doing a protective hairstyle, and her thickness was amazing. Like the density was of her hair was everything. I will leave a description in the I'll leave a link on her video in the description box. I hope I don't forget. so that you guys can see how people are taking care of their hair. And I just feel amazing and so good when I see good volume, good length, and amazing edges on a fuzzy hair. So this is the wig that I'm going to be seeing on my head, and I'm seeing because I feel that the wig cap is too small, and also I just thought that seeing it will make it stay for a little bit longer. So watch the next video and see how I fit this on my scalp. I hope it will turn out great. But before that, I'll be doing cornrows to just let my hair stay flat, or yes, so that my wig can fit in on. So this is the hair that I bought. I made a wig. It's called Patra by Darling. Yeah, and after cornrowing, I'll just add a little bit coconut oil on my scalp because it helps my scalp calm down or cool or less itchy. So stay tuned for that next video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.